For months, as fall became winter, the pilgrims had been stalked and attacked by a hideous half-man, half-turkey creature. This Turkonculous, this devil bird of Plymouth, would attack the pilgrim settlement, killing pilgrim men, and in one instance, a pilgrim child. The historical record can't prove a pilgrim child was killed or eaten by Turkonculous. We conjecture that it did happen because little kids are slow or were running guns into the New World. Bizarrely, Factress received an anonymous letter detailing the troubling activities of many of the world's leading museums, a systemic and concentrated effort to cover up the truth behind the devil bird of Plymouth. Is the Smithsonian hiding evidence of the existence of an evil bird that ate the flesh of early pilgrims, who banished its demented soul into an interdimensional prison? Bizarrely, Factress is following the investigation of the discovery of a cave in Plymouth, Massachusetts, thought to be the lost, fabled Pilgrim on the Cave sanctuary site, commemorating the first Thanksgiving, built by pilgrims. This site is significant as it holds the oldest preserved examples of early pilgrim cave art, early pilgrim tools. They're finding petrified cobs of corn, piles and piles of human bones. The cave system is comprised of a near limitless series of winding tunnels, and these tunnels are filled with human bones. I mean, bone piles stacked to the cave tunnel ceiling. Native tribes warned the pilgrims against invoking the wrath of Turkonculous and had banned any pilgrim refugees from seeking shelter in any of their settlements or tribes or land. And if they knew the facts surrounding the first Thanksgiving, they might have a little more respect and pick up their prophylactic refuse behind them. It's disgusting down in that cave. You love it.